Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2019 Chevy Equinox. It's a LS all-wheel drive 1.5 turbo. We're working on a P0132 bank 1 sensor 1. That's that O2 sensor right there, and it is located right up top. Right up top, that's the upstream. And we're gonna hit that, man. I'm gonna show you how. This is one of our tools we're gonna use. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, so we got a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch. That's the difference there. So what I want to do, I probably want to use the 1/2 inch because you get better leverage with it. You can break it free better, and spray it down if you need to with some penetrant. We got to take this cover off. Hit that bolt right there. Just use a T30. Get that out. Take off your oil cap. That's the connector right there. I'm going to take off that ground wire, 10 mil. I'm going to disconnect. Push that white tab back. Like that. You should be able to press down on it and pull it out. So we're going to take this here, put it over it. Up in here. So I'm gonna take this shield off, these 10 mils, so I can get better access to it. Alright, I was thinking it was gonna come out, but it's held in back there. So what I'm gonna do is just bend it. Bend it up like that. Now I'm gonna try to work with this PB blast. Sprayed it down. Let that sit for a minute. So this is the 1/2 inch that I like to use because it extends, give me leverage. And we just put that right over it. And we're just gonna turn that counterclockwise, break that free.
A few moments later.
Look at here. You know, that would have worked in a perfect world, but I had to put something together, figure something out, cut it right there. And I know it's a 22 mil, so I went with my 22 deep socket, hammered it on there, and you know what? That actually put impact on the threads. And it probably helped it loosen up, because I went to put my impact on it and I barely tapped it and it started moving. So with that being said, the O2 sensor is out, and now I'm about to put the new one in. So I already got the grease on the threads, anti-seize. Go ahead and get that in there. Just want to tighten it down. Plug it up. Bang, snap in there. Got that shield back on. Everything in. We're gonna put the cover back on it. I want to show you before I end the video. That other O2 sensor is right there. Right up under there. Alright, we back in there. And that completes the video. I hope it helps out. You want to clear that code, reset. You already got the battery undone, so you reset that. That resets the code. Put that back together. That check engine light will be off, and that code shouldn't come back. Till next time, man. Pull up, Karen.